just received this. This is a massive package. I have been waiting 2 years for this package. So, let's see what's in it. All I've taken off so far is the address and the packing slip off the top. This one as a whole. See how long it's going to take to get inside, shall we? There's some ASMR for you. Keeps getting stuck to me. There's my cat. Well, it is what I expected. Any guesses? As you can see, it's foam. Well, let's get it out and you'll see. It is a Dread 95. Some of the glue's come off. Shoulder armour piece. So it fits over me like this. This is going to be the base of Judge Murphy. Well, I've already got the helmet, as you've seen in previous videos. Badge is going to go there, and I'm going to build the chest up here, and torso parts, and then arms. I am extremely happy with this, as I haven't got time to build this kind of thing, but I can build the rest. So, thank you, my friend. You know who you are. He's asked me not to mention his name, so thank you. I'm very happy. Makes me look quite huge. Obviously I need to paint it once I finish.